Namaste my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 3 subject maths chapter number 3 subtraction, and this is ninth session on this chapter. Today let us continue our discussion of revision exercise on this chapter. Today let us answer the questions in test your understanding. So here we have two questions displayed here. In the first main question we have fill in the blanks. These are based on addition, and in second question we have the questions based on subtraction. So let us now answer these questions one by one. So fill in the blanks. A dash plus 1 is equal to 9,000. Dear children, look here. On adding 1 to a number, we will get 9,000, and we should write the number here to which on adding 1 we get 9,000. In other words, the number that we should write here will be 1 less than 9,000, because on adding 1 to that number we are getting 9,000. That means the number we should write here must be 1 less than 9,000. And now tell me the number which is 1 less than 9,000. Yes, it is 8,999. So if we add 1 to 8,999, you will get 9,000. So like this you have to answer these questions. These are simple, and by looking at these numbers you can guess or find the answer. Coming to B, look here, we have 2,457 plus a number we should find and write here. So I am adding a number, so the number becomes 2,460. So now see, so which number should be added to 2,457 to make it 2,460? See here, 2,460 is 3 more than 2,457. So the number you should write here is 3. So if you add 3 to 2,457, you will get 2,460. See, 3,713 plus a number gives 3,813. Look here, observe the numbers carefully. So here you have 3,713. Here the answer is 3,813. So on adding 100 to this number, 100 to this number, you will get 3,813. So the answer should be written here is 100. Coming to D, 6,178 plus a number should be written here, filled here, gives 6,578. Look here, look at the digits, observe these carefully. The digits at ones place, tens place and thousands place are same. Look here, 8, 7, 6. Ones place digit is 8, 7 and thousands place digit is 6. So the only digit that is changing is hundreds place digit. Here it is 1 and here we have 5. So on adding 400 to this given number, you will get 6578. So you should write 400 here. That is 6178 plus 400 is equal to 6578. So you may verify all these answers by adding. Whatever answers I am giving, you can check whether the given answers are correct or not by adding these numbers. E 1896 plus a number is equal to 1900. Look here, 1896 is 4 less than 1900. Therefore, if you add 4 to it, it will become 1900. F 6000 plus a number gives 7100. So the required number is, look here, 7100 is 1100 more than 6000. So you should write 1100 here. Here 7654 on adding a number becomes 9564. So here to find the required number, what you can do is you can subtract 7654 from 9564 to get the required number. Let us do that now. See here, to find the required answer for the question G, we are subtracting 7654 from 9564. Let us subtract now. So on subtracting 4 from 4 you get 0. Here subtracting 5 from 6 you get 1. Subtracting 6 from 5 is not possible. You have to regroup. This will become 8 and you make it this 15. Now subtracting 6 from 15 you get 9. And subtracting 7 from 8 you get 1. 1910 is the required answer for this question. That means on adding 1910 to 7654, you will get 9564. Coming to H, here you have 3200 plus a number gives 3500. So observe these numbers. 3500 is 300 more than 3200. So the required number to be filled here is 300. So 3200 plus 300 is equal to 3500 is the required addition statement. I, on adding 1000 to a given number, you get 2531. So the number to be written here is 1531. So 1531 plus 1000 is equal to 2531. Coming to question number 2, we have to subtract these and write the answers. A, 134 minus 1 is 133. B, subtracting 1 from a given number or a number gives us 8999. So, or you can say, in other words, the number 1 more than 8999 will come here. So the number is 9000. So if you subtract 1 from 9000, you get 8999. C. 6788 minus 3. So subtracting 3 from 6788, you will get 6785. D. 2890 minus 4. On subtracting 4 from this number, you will get 2886 as a difference. E. 3400 minus a number is equal to 3398, and the number is 2. If you subtract 2 from 3400, you will get 3398. F. 2234 minus 20 is equal to 2214. G. 7747 minus a number is equal to 7707. So observe these numbers. So this number is 40 less than 7747. Therefore, on subtracting 40 from this number, you will get 7707. H. 5876 minus a number is equal to 5676. Look at these numbers. The digits at hundreds place are only changing, other digits are remaining same. So here the digit at 100 place is 6. Here we have 8. 6 is 2 less than 8, and these digits are in hundreds place. Therefore, the number that should be subtracted is 200. So on subtracting 200 from 5876, you will get 5676. I. 8101 minus a number is equal to 3101. Here what you can notice is the digit at thousands place are changing. In these numbers, you notice that the digits at thousands place are changing, other digits are remaining same. So 8101 is 5000 more than 3101. So if you subtract 5000 from 8101, the difference will be 3101. So like this, understand these problems and write down into your textbook and notebook as well. Wherever rough works are required, if you can do the rough works, or you may verify all these answers I have given here. Question number 3. Solve the following word problems. Here in question number 3, we have A, B, C, 3 word problems. Let us solve these one by one. First, look at the question A. First in these word problems. A garment factory manufactured 6,375 t-shirts in a week. Of these, 4,500 t-shirts were sold. Find the number of t-shirts that were not sold. Yes, there is a garment factory in which t-shirts are manufactured. So in a week, that factory manufactures 6,375 t-shirts. Among those, 4,500 t-shirts were sold. and we have to find the number of t-shirts that were not sold. Let us solve this question now. Solution: number of t-shirts manufactured in a week is 6,375. Number of t-shirts sold were 4,500. So how we can find the number of t-shirts that were not sold? Yes, that can be found. Number of t-shirts that were not sold is equal to 6,375 minus 4,500. That means we have to subtract the number of t-shirts that were sold from the total number of t-shirts manufactured in that week. So on subtracting, we will get the number of t-shirts that were not sold. Let us subtract now. Here let us write down the numbers one below the other appropriately for subtraction. That is, I am writing 6,375 first, and then 4,500 just below that, appropriate to the place values, and we are subtracting. I will put a minus sign here. Let us subtract now. On subtracting 0 from 5, you will get 5. Subtracting 0 from 7, you get 7. Subtracting 5 from 3 is not possible. Regrouping is needed. You make this 5 and this will be now 13. On subtracting 5 from 13, you get 8. And here subtracting 4 from 5, you get 1. 1,875 is the difference, and that gives the number of t-shirts that were not sold. So therefore the conclusion is number of t-shirts that were not sold is equal to 1,875. Question B. There are 4,200 pelicans, 2,391 flamingos, and some painted storks in a bird sanctuary. If the total number of birds in the sanctuary is 9,999, find the number of painted storks. So there are, you can see the picture here, there is a bird sanctuary. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪಕ್ಷಿಧಾಮ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಆ ಪಕ್ಷಿಧಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳಿವೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಪೆಲಿಕಾನ್ಸ್, ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗೋಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪೇಂಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವ 3 ರೀತಿಯ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ಆ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಚುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆಲಿಕಾನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗೋಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಚುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳಿವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಚುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಟ್ಟು ಪೇಂಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವಿಧದ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟಿವೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದ 2 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಅಂದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಆ 2 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಸಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಆ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಬಂದಂಥ ಸಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಚುರಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಂಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಚುರಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Solution. So as I said, first let us write down the number of pelicans and number of flamingos and let us add those. ಅದನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ 4200 ಪೆಲಿಕಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮದ್ದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ 4200. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಇದೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲಾಮಿಂಗೋಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2391 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲಾಮಿಂಗೋಸ್. ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ and let us add now. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 9 is 9, 2 plus 3 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6. So the sum of these numbers, or the sum of the pelicans and flamingos together is 6591. So to find the number of painted storks, let us subtract this sum from 9999. So 9999 minus the sum we have obtained is 6591. So on subtracting this, you will get the required answer. So 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3. That is 3408. So the total number of painted storks is equal to 3408. This is how you should solve such problems in which both addition and subtractions are involved. See, in a family, the sum of the ages of a father, mother and their 2 children is 100. The father is 40 years old and the mother is 5 years younger than the father. One of the children is 11 years old. Find the age of the other child. So this is a problem related with the ages of a family members. Here in a family, the sum of ages of father, so ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫಾದರ್, ಮದರ್ ಮತ್ತು 2 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ಆ 4 ಜನದ ಏಜ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 100 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಏಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 100. The age of father is 40 years and the age of mother is 5 years less than the age of father. That means 40 minus 5 is 35 years. So age of mother is 35 years and the age of one of the children is 11 years, and we have to find the age of the other child. Again, this is the problem involving both addition and subtraction. So let us find the required solution for this problem. So here age of a father is 40 years. I will write only numbers and I will find the solution. So look here, the age of father is 40 years. I will write 40. And since the age of mother is 5 years less than the age of father, so it is 35. And the age of one of the child is 11 years. Let us add these numbers so that we will get the sum of the 3 ages of 3 members, father, mother and one of the children. So adding these, you get 6 here. 0 plus 5 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 is 6. Is the sum of ages of the 3 members. To find the age of the other child, what we should do is, we should subtract 86 from 100, because the sum of ages of all the 4 members of the family is 100. So to find the age of the other child, we subtract 86 from 100. Here subtracting 6 from 0 is not possible, we have to regroup here. So this will be 0, you make this 10, and again this will regroup, you make this 9 and you will make this 10. Subtracting 6 from 10 you get 4, and subtracting 8 from 9 you get 1, 14. So the age of the other child is 14 or 14 years. You may write this as the age of the other child is equal to 14 years. So like this you should solve the word problems involving both addition and subtraction. Question number 4. Take the best estimate for each. A. Estimate the sum 679 plus 230. So we have to estimate the sum and we have to take the best value, best estimate of the sum given in these boxes. A. So this 679 can be rounded for 680 because it is just one less than 680. 680 plus 230, let it be as it is. So when we add, what we get is 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 is carried forward, 7 plus 2 is 9, 910. Now look at the given answers here. 1000 and 900 are given, and 900 is close to our answer, which is the best estimate. So we have to tick this. So we will tick 900, which is the best estimate of this sum. B. Estimate the difference 650 minus 248. Here let us keep 650 as it is without making any change. And what I do now is, since 248 is close to 250, which is 2 less than 250, so I will estimate this number as 250. And now let us subtract. On subtracting 0 you get 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, subtracting 2 from 6 you get 4. 400 is the estimated difference. So tick the appropriate box here. C. Estimate the sum 478 plus 420. Here you see 478 is close to 480. We can write 478 as 480, which is close to this number. Plus I will retain 420 without modification. On adding these two numbers, what I get is 8 plus 2 is 10 and 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 900, and tick the appropriate box, 900. So like this you can estimate the sum and differences. Question number 5. Fill in the missing digits. Here some empty boxes are given in each of these questions. We have to fill in these missing numbers. Dear children, let's do one thing. I will give the answers for all these questions. You verify whether the given answers are correct or not by your own. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಈ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಸೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. You verify whether these answers are correct or not by subtracting given the digits. So I am giving the answers here. So for first question, you will fill this box by writing 1 and 2. Likewise, here also I am giving the answers for all these questions. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಬರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ನೀವು ಬರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ವ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಥ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಲಿಸೋದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಟ್ ಎ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಯು ವೆರಿಫೈ ವೆದರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned all the problems we discussed today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye children.